Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 new cars experience a major breakdown before hitting just 40,000 miles? It's shocking, right? Imagine spending your hard-earned money on a vehicle only to have it fall apart long before its time. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 least reliable cars that just can't go the distance. And trust me, the last car on this list will leave you speechless. It's a model many would never expect to see here. Let's jump in. Number 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. It is a car that might seem like a budget-friendly deal at its starting price of around $18,000, but is riddled with issues that can leave owners deeply disappointed. The Mirage comes equipped with a tiny 78 horsepower engine, which is one of the weakest in the market. On highways, this engine struggles to maintain speed, leaving drivers frustrated and often feeling unsafe during tasks like merging or overtaking. But the problems don't stop there. Owners frequently report issues with the Mirage's overall build quality. From noisy cabins to uncomfortable rides and poor handling, this car fails to deliver even the basics of a smooth driving experience. The suspension often feels unstable, adding to the discomfort on rough or uneven roads. Reliability is another major concern. Complaints about premature mechanical failures, including transmission issues, are common and can lead to costly repairs that offset its initial affordability. Furthermore, the Mirage's cheap materials and lack of long-term durability have been widely criticized. Many owners mention that the car feels flimsy and doesn't hold up well under regular use. This is reflected in its low resale value, as potential buyers shy away from the risks of owning a car with such a problematic history. Number 2. Nissan Frontier. Priced around $28,800, it promises to be a capable workhorse, but many owners find themselves facing major headaches before even hitting the 40,000-mile mark. One of its most significant problems lies in its transmission and drivetrain. Owners have reported rough shifting, slipping gears, and outright transmission failures, especially under heavy use or towing. These issues are not only frustrating but can lead to repair bills that climb into the thousands. Engine overheating is another common concern, which further questions its durability for the demands of daily work or recreational towing. In 2024, the Frontier faced 3 recalls, underscoring ongoing concerns about its long-term reliability. Suspension problems and faulty components, such as leaf springs, have also been reported, making for an uncomfortable and potentially unsafe ride. Many owners feel let down by the truck's inability to handle tough tasks it was supposedly built for. Number 3. Volvo XC60 luxury SUV that's often praised for its stylish design and advanced safety features. Priced at around $53,000, it offers an attractive package on the surface. However, for many owners, the XC60's luxury appeal quickly wears thin as reliability issues. One of the biggest complaints revolves around its transmission problems. Many owners report rough shifting, slipping gears, and complete transmission failures, which are both expensive and time-consuming to repair. Engine stalling is another frequently reported issue, often leaving drivers stranded unexpectedly. Electrical failures, especially in the infotainment system and driver assist features, are a common headache for owners, with glitches and malfunctions causing frustration and additional repair costs. In 2024 alone, the XC60 faced 3 recalls, highlighting ongoing concerns about its ability to deliver dependable performance. Owners also mention issues with the turbocharged engines, including excessive oil consumption and overheating, further eroding its reputation for long-term durability. While the XC60 may shine in the showroom, its inability to handle everyday wear and tear without frequent breakdowns makes it a risky choice for buyers. Number 4. Nissan Rogue. A compact SUV that looks appealing with its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and modern design. However, this engine's complex variable compression technology has been linked to bearing failures and severe knocking noises, raising serious reliability concerns. Owners frequently report issues with the Rogue's continuously variable transmission, which is notorious for premature failure. In fact, nearly 15% of Rogue owners in a consumer survey cited transmission problems, often requiring costly replacements exceeding $3,300. Furthermore, the Rogue has faced investigations by the NHTSA for widespread engine trouble, affecting thousands of vehicles. While it might seem like a solid option for short-term use, the Nissan Rogue's history of engine and transmission failures makes it a risky bet for long-term ownership. Number 5. Ford Bronco Sport. Priced at around $34,000, the Bronco Sport is equipped with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine. While this engine promises efficiency and performance, it has been plagued by significant problems, including fuel injector cracking, which not only affects the vehicle's performance, but also poses a serious fire risk. Owners have also reported frequent overheating problems, turbocharger failures, and excessive engine noise, which detract from the driving experience. These issues often lead to costly repairs. Beyond the engine, the Bronco Sport struggles with rough shifting and powertrain issues, making it unreliable for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. In recent years, the Bronco Sport has been subjected to multiple recalls, further underlining its reliability concern. According to J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study, the Bronco Sport ranks well below average. Many owners have expressed frustration with the SUV's inability to deliver on its promise of durability and dependability. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado. It's starting at around $36,000. The Silverado may seem like a dependable workhorse, but many owners find themselves facing serious issues. One of the most significant problems lies in GM's cylinder deactivation technology, designed to improve fuel efficiency by shutting down half of the engine's cylinders during light loads. Instead of delivering benefits, this system has been linked to lifter collapse, engine noise, and even engine shutdowns, often requiring costly repairs. Many owners also report transmission failure, engine misfires, and fuel system problems that further tarnish the truck's reputation. Adding to these concerns, it has faced numerous electrical issues, ranging from faulty sensors to complete system malfunctions, leaving owners with hefty repair bills. According to data from CarComplaints.com, these recurring problems have led to class action lawsuits against GM, highlighting the widespread dissatisfaction among owners. Number 7. Infiniti QX50. Priced at around $55,000, it is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine and a CVT, both of which have become major sources of frustration for owners. Frequent complaints include engine stalling, transmission failures, and electrical glitches that disrupt driving and rack up expensive repair bills. The CVT, in particular, has been notorious for early failures, leaving owners with replacement costs that often exceed expectations. These issues are exacerbated by the complexity of the QX50's technology, which can make diagnosing and repairing problems both challenging and costly. In addition to mechanical troubles, the QX50 has faced multiple reliability concerns, highlighted by J.D. Power, ranking below average compared to its competitors in the luxury SUV. For a vehicle at this price point, the repair costs are steep due to the high expense of premium parts and specialized services. Number 8. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. One of the most alarming issues with the Pacifica Hybrid is its electrical system failures, which can lead to power loss and even complete shutdowns while driving. Owners have also reported frequent problems with the hybrid battery, including premature failure, poor charge retention, and even fires, raising significant safety concerns. These issues have resulted in multiple recalls, leaving many drivers questioning the vehicle's dependability. Furthermore, transmission problems and glitches in the hybrid powertrain are common, often requiring expensive and time-consuming repairs. Chrysler technicians themselves have been criticized for struggling to resolve these issues, which adds to the frustration for owners. Consumer Reports recently ranked the Pacifica Hybrid as one of the least reliable vehicles on the market, citing widespread complaints about its mechanical and electrical components. Number 9. Jaguar FPace. A luxury SUV that dazzles with its sleek design and sporty performance, but falls short when it comes to reliability. Priced at around $55,000, the FPace offers premium features and a high-end feel, but many owners find themselves facing costly problems. One of the most common complaints is the FPace's electrical system failures, which affect everything from infotainment to essential driving systems, leaving owners frustrated and sometimes stranded. Furthermore, the transmission is prone to issues, including rough shifting and early failure, which can result in hefty repair bills. The engine isn't without its faults either, with reports of oil leaks, overheating, and even engine stalling adding to the list of concerns. These issues are compounded by the high cost of parts and the need for specialized repairs, making ownership a financial burden for many. Number 10. Land Rover Range Rover. Priced at over $100,000 for most models, the Range Rover promises cutting-edge technology, off-road prowess, and premium comfort. Unfortunately, these promises are often overshadowed by a laundry list of issues that emerge. One of the most significant complaints is engine failures, which can leave owners facing repair bills in the tens of thousands of dollars. Suspension problems are also common, with air suspension systems prone to malfunctions, leading to an uncomfortable ride and costly fixes. It is also plagued by electrical malfunctions, affecting everything from infotainment systems to critical driving features, leaving many owners frustrated by frequent breakdown. A UK study by Warranty Direct ranked the Range Rover as one of the least reliable vehicles on the market, with average repair costs nearing $2,000 per incident. Owners have also reported issues with the vehicle's complex tech systems, which are expensive to repair and often require specialized technicians, further driving up maintenance costs.